Well, as I mentioned yesterday, I've got this big cherry log I'm anxious to get on the sawmill. It's 17 inches at the small end and almost 21 at the big end. It's got a little bit of bug damage at the butt end. Seems to kind of be my thing here, but hopefully it's not too bad. Well, we are off to a good start. That is some really neat looking stuff. I'm gonna flip the log over and start making some slabs. So that's 4 1-inch thick boards. I'm gonna pull them off the saw and spray them with the hose and see what we're looking at. I think the next couple cuts are going to tell us how lucky I get with that insect damage. But man, I've never sawn cherry before, and this is some awfully pretty stuff. Well, I got the cherry log all cut up and stacked and stickered and ready to dry. Now I'm going to throw this big chunk of walnut on there. This came out of an unkept orchard, and a lot of the stuff that I've seen so far has been rotten in the middle, but hopefully there's something in it. It's 24 inches across at the base, and there's all kinds of limbs coming off of it, so it should have some pretty grain if it's together. You thought I was going to tip my tractor over, didn't you? I haven't seen any rot yet. Get some really nice slabs out of this. Well, it looks like there's some rot right in the center from where one of the limbs was, so I don't think I'm going to take another one out of that. Well, I'm not going to lie, this is some pretty cool looking stuff. These logs were free, and it's not your top quality lumber, but it'll make some nice stuff. If you're thinking at all about a sawmill, if this stuff seems cool to you, it doesn't have to be a Wood-Mizer. Get yourself a cheap manual starter sawmill and get started. It's awesome.